now the ultimate double header, 2 Garratts. That's 120 tons of thrashing steel, 8 cylinders and 40 wheels, 24 of them coupled. But will the mountain climbing railway of Sandstone Estates budge to this powerful train? The fearsome bank of Pandora Mountain is a hard test for even the best driver. Double headers require a coordinated effort between the drivers. With all the slipping, the steam pressure is falling. Just before submitting the Pandora bank, the steam pressure drops again. More coal needs to be shoveled into the firebox before the train can go.
And in the middle, one trace, then it's good.
The steam pressure slowly creeps back towards the red mark, and with a very hot fire, Philip opens the regulator slightly.
Thank you for watching. If you haven't already, please consider subscribing and hit the bell down below to be notified when we upload new videos. Thank you for your support.